your 5 minutes therapeutic calisthenics practice, alright? So this exercise is basically to just help you ease off and get your body into that state where you're ready, to do every other thing, alright? So this could be a pre-exercise workout, or after your exercise, you could just do this, or you just feel like you want to stretch and afterwards have a great day. It's fantastic. Or you've come back from a walk. This is that 5 minutes practice. So it's good for everyone, whether you have exercised before or you just don't want to exercise if you're already lazy or you just want to cool down after a complete workout. Alright, so you stand on your mat, keep distance with your part, lift your 2 hands, inhaling, and remember to pull in, up and in. So inhale, lifting both hands all the way up, reaching and stretching. Just imagine someone is trying to pull you up, and as you exhale, gently fall forward, soften your knees. Alright, now drop your head heavy down, keep your palms by your side as much as you can, tuck your chin to your chest and gently roll up. We're going to do that again. Inhale, lift, reaching, exhale, falling forward. Drop your head heavy down, tuck your chin and roll up. Giving your spine a good long stretch. Inhale, lifting, reaching, exhale, falling forward. Alright, stay heavy here. You can swing from side to side. Keep your arms this way. Inhale and exhale. Drop heavy again. And this time around, you come to your halfway lift. So your halfway lift, your palms are by your side. Your back is flat, so don't hunch. Stay this way. Inhale, exhale. And then for those people who can, I'll show you the variation. You could gently just place your hands and press back this way, or if you can, place your palms firmly grounded on the floor or on the mat. Step back a little bit and raise your hips towards the ceiling, pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Inhaling and exhaling. We're going to hold it there. And now here, just drop your knees down a bit and press back, or you can just drop one knee in and the other. Make sure you're pressing really back, inhaling and exhaling. Press for 5. Pull your belly button in. 4. Breathe normally. 3, 2, and gently release. 1. Now bring your knees on the mat. Knees directly under your hips, palms directly under your shoulders. Now you hunch your back, bring your chin to your chest, inhaling, round your back, take your head all the way up, hunch, bring it forward, chin to chest, and then take it all the way back, one more time, hunch, inhaling, exhaling, and rounding. So here, for those who can, you're going to extend your right leg backward. If you can, this is good. Else, you can extend also. This will challenge your balance a little bit. And then you can just inhale, bring both together, and exhale, send it out. We'll do just 3. Bring it together and send it out. Inhale, reach in, and exhale, extend. Do the same thing on the other side. Reaching out, but if you cannot, just keep your leg in, just tuck it in and out, and then you can do your hand in and out. All right, so let's go. Inhale and exhale. That's 1. Pull your belly button in towards your spine, and exhale. That's 2, and 1 more time, and that's 3. Beautiful. Please put palms down, and then if you can, just gently lie on your mat. Okay, place your palms by your side, and now lift your legs straight up, hands up. Keep your head facing the mat or the floor and just gently tilt backward. That's 1 and down. That's 2. You're reaching. That's 3. Keep going. That's 4 and that's 5. Let's try to do 10. 6. Beautiful. 7. Excellent. 8. 9 and 10. Gently relax. Inhale and exhale. Now come on all fours. Keep your knees out wide. Bring your big toes together. Sink your hips down. Alright, lengthen your arms really long. Drop your head heavy. Just inhale and exhale. And how are you feeling? Really stretched and relaxed. Breathe in and out. Take one more deep breath. And then come sitting on your mat. Bring both legs forward. Inhale, lift all the way. And exhale, gently forward. So you can soften your knees if you want to find a full stretch. Or you can just go down, whatever you feel comfortable doing. Inhale and exhale. And when you're ready, just cross your knees. Bring your hands to your center, heart center in gratitude, alrighty? So that was it for our therapeutic calisthenics practice today. Leave me a message and let me know how this feels with you. And this is something you can do every time. You can actually do it more than once in your day. Yes, you can do it in the morning, in the afternoon, and the evening. Alrighty, I'll see you next time. I'm always cheering you to be fitter, healthier, and happier. God bless you. Bye for now.